Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video on a common challenge in manufacturing and inventory management. What happens when the quantity of the material used in production exceeds a defined quantity in your BM? Today we will dive into how to update the HL cost and how to check the real costing impact. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you are running a small bakery. During a busy day, your baker accidentally spilled some flour and has to use extra to compensate. This overconsumption isn't just a minor hiccup, it affects your production cost, inventory management, and profitability also. On a large scale, like an automotive parts factory, using more steel than planned for car doors could add thousands to your expenses. These scenarios happens all the time due to waste, inefficiency, or process changes. So let's get started. At first, go to the inventory module. Here, I will show you the BMF in one product. So go to the product and also choose your product. Here you will see the option of BOM. So click on this option. When you click on this option, you will see the component of your BOM and here the quantity of your BOM. So now go back to the home page of the Odoo and then go to the manufacturing module. Here, click on the operations and then go to the manufacturing orders. To create a new manufacturing order, click on new, add your product, update the quantity of your product. When you update the quantity of your product, you will see the quantity of your BMs will also update it. And now, if any product used more than defined in BM, then you can update it manually. Like I am updating the buttons and also the labels and also the denim fabric. Now click on confirm and click on produce all. When you click on produce all, you will see a warning pop-up. That is, here you can see the list of the product which you updated manually. Here confirm this, and now if you want to review the variance report, click the overview tab in the top center of the screen to see all production details. Here you can see all the data fields related to your production requirement, that is manufacturing order cost and BOM cost. Here you will see the actual cost for your production and this is the planned BOM cost for your product. So that's it